Ever poured 200K into a duplex only to realize your ROI projection missed a 12% vacancy rate? The Real Estate Investment Pack delivers dynamic ROI calculators with Monte Carlo simulations, customizable cash flow models that auto adjust for tax depreciation, risk assessment frameworks, stress testing against interest rate spikes, and portfolio optimization guides for 1031 exchange strategies. Whether you're a data driven REIT manager, a fix and flip veteran dodging contractor delays, or a rental property mogul battling tenant turnover, this pack turns chaos into charts. Let's stop guessing and start crunching numbers that actually make sense. Here's what's inside the Real Estate Investment Pack: dynamic ROI scenario modeling with sensitivity analysis for cap rate fluctuations, cash flow forecasting engines integrating insurance escrow calculations, risk assessment modules stress testing against Zillow ZHVI volatility, portfolio allocation tools optimizing between commercial and residential assets. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Because real estate math shouldn't care where you code it. Installing the Real Estate Investment Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Real Estate Investment Pack. That's it. The full workflow downloads: ROI calculators, cash flow templates, risk assessment frameworks. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes the pack. Suddenly, your AI assistant can explain cap rate arbitrage over coffee, or explain why that great deal in Vegas might actually be a money pit. No PhD required.